everyone. I'm Kamini Mehta. I'm taking your GK subject. It's for the 6th standard. Okay, English medium 6th standard. Okay, there is a chapter number of 39. Okay, and it is a chapter related to the digital world. Okay, digital world means we use just like a calculator, computer, laptop. Okay, many machines we use in now daily. Okay, so it is because of these machines our work become very easy. Okay, so now we learn about this digital world. Okay, now there is a question, there is a across. Okay, there is a question answer like that. Okay, and you fill up in this box. Okay, if there is a some missing letters there, but you fill up. Okay, there is a across and the down number. Okay, and you fill up in this box. Okay, you can see in your book also. Okay, now we are on the first across, a computer language for database programming. So what's the answer? Okay, so the first is the SQL, SQL, SQL. Okay, the second is the founder of Hotmail. Okay, founder of Hotmail. Who is founder? Who is found this Hotmail? The name is Sabir Bhatia. Okay, the name is Sabir Bhatia. The 7 number is there. Okay, because it's across there. Then the 7 number. It's a multinational computer manufacturing company. Okay, multinational company. Okay, computer manufacturing company. So name is IBM. The company's name is IBM. You fill up in your box. Okay, if there is a missing letters. Then the 8 number. It is the short form of binary digit. Okay, short form of binary digit. What is the short form of? Then it's a bit. B-I-T, bit. Okay. Then the 9 number, a place where incoming emails are stored. Okay. A place where incoming emails are stored. Okay. When you open your computer, okay, there is a some box. Okay, we can say inbox. Okay, there is a incoming emails and any other things. Okay, are in the inbox. Okay, then the 10 number, it is a name after an animal. Okay, connected to computer. The name of animal, but it is connected to computer. Okay, so what's the name of them? The name of them is a mouse. Okay, the name of them is a mouse. Okay, then it's across is over. Okay, we fill up in the 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. Okay, but then we are on a downs. Okay, downs there. So downs boxes. Now the first, founder of Apple that manufactures iPhone and iPad. Okay, the founder of Apple that manufactures iPhone and iPad. The name of it's Steve Jobs. Okay, the name of him Steve Jobs. Okay, then the 3 number, father of the World Wide Web. Okay, father of the World Wide Web. World Wide Web, the short form of the World Wide Web is the www. Okay, www. So there is a name of father of the World Wide Web. The name is Tim Berners. Okay, the Tim Berners. The 4 number, part of computer that store data or information temporarily. Okay, a part of computer that store data information temporarily, not a permanent. Okay, temporary data. So it's a RAM. It is stored in a RAM. And the 5 number, it is an operating system. It is one type of operating system. The name is Linux. Okay, the name is Linux. The 6 number, 8-bit form one of these. 8-bit form one of these. The name is byte. The name is byte. Okay. Okay. Then we are on the chapter number 14. Okay. Okay. Then the 14, the flightless bird. Okay. It's related to flightless bird. Okay. Which the bird which is not fly. Okay. The name of them. Okay. Now we learn about it. Okay. The first number, smallest flightless bird. Okay. Smallest flightless bird. The name of its island rail. The smallest but flightless bird. So it's a island rail. The name is the island rail. The second, largest, heaviest bird. It's a very largest and a very heaviest bird. The name of it's a ostrich. Okay, the ostrich is a very heavy bird and it cannot fly. Okay, heavy and large also. So it cannot fly. Okay, so flightless bird. The 3 number, national bird of New Zealand. Okay, it is a bird which is cannot fly, but it is a national bird of New Zealand. The name of it's a kiwi. Okay, the name of it's a kiwi. Kiwi. Okay. Then the 4 number, three-toed, lacking fine plums. Okay, three-toed with lacking fine plum. The name of this bird is a rahiya. Okay, the name of this bird is a rahiya. The 5 number, inhabitants of the islands of Mauritius now are extinct. Okay, it's the inhabitants of the island. Okay, inhabitants of the island of Mauritius now are extinct. Okay, the name of this bird is a dodo. Dodo. Okay, then the 6th number, belong to this category. Okay, belong to this category. This means this flightless bird. Okay, belongs to this category. The name of this bird is the herons and ibis. Okay, the name of this bird is the herons and ibis. Okay, we can repeat this. Okay, the chapter number 14, flightless bird. Okay, the first is the smallest flightless bird. Smallest flightless birds. The name of it's island rail. Okay, and the second, largest, heaviest bird, which is the largest and the heaviest bird. The name of it's ostrich. Okay, the name of it's ostrich. The 3 number, national bird of New Zealand. Okay, it is a bird, but it's the national bird of New Zealand. So the name of it's kiwi. Okay, the name of it's kiwi. Then the 4 number, three-toed, lacking fine plums. Three-toed, lacking fine plums. The name of it's rahiya. Okay, the name of it's rahiya. The 5 number, inhabitants of the islands. Okay, inhabitants of the islands of Mauritius now are extinct. Okay, now are extinct. The name of it's dodo. The name of it's dodo. The 6th number, belongs to this category. Belongs to this category means this is the flightless bird. The herons and ibis. Okay, the herons and ibis. Okay, then it's our 14th chapter over. Then we are on the 41 chapter. Okay, it's a chapter 41 chapter related in GK. Okay, for the standard 6 English medium section, and it's related to bookworm. Bookworm. Okay, the name of the person, the name of this book, and the who is right and who's the favorite book it is. Okay, now we are on the first, brief history of time. Okay, brief history of time. It is related to name of its Stephen Hawking. Okay. In this chapter, in GK you can match. Okay, it's a match the following, but I write the answer. Okay, this time. So, brief history of time. Brief history of time, which is related to Stephen Hawking. Okay, the brief history of time, which is related to Stephen Hawking. Then the second, beloved. Okay, the second number is beloved, which is Toni Morrison. Okay, the name of it's Toni Morrison. The three number, Cooley. Okay, the three number is Cooley, which is related to Mulk Raj Anand. Okay, the Cooley, the book name is Cooley, which is related to Mulk Raj Anand. Okay, then the fourth number, the god of small things. The god of small things. So it is related to Arundhati Roy. Okay, it is related to Arundhati Roy. Then five number, Count of Monte Cristo. Count of Monte Cristo, which is related, written by Alexander Dumas. Okay, the Count of Monte Cristo, which is related to Alexander Dumas. Alexander Dumas. Then the sixth number. Sixth number is the Daughter of the East. Okay, it's related to Daughter of the East, but the name of it's Benazir Bhutto. Okay, it's related to Benazir Bhutto. Then seven, runs in ruins. Runs and ruins, which is related to Sunil Gavaskar. Okay, which is related to Sunil Gavaskar. The eighth number, the unfinished memory. Okay, the unfinished memory, which is related to Mujibur Rahman. Okay, Mujibur Rahman. Okay, the unfinished memories. Then the nine number, Das Capital. Okay, Das Capital, which is related to Karl Marx. Okay, we know the name of them. Okay, the Karl Marx, the Das Capital related to Karl Marx. And the 10 number, Faces and Places. Faces and Places, which is related to Professor Deepak Nair. Okay, which is related to Professor Deepak Nair. Okay, so now the chapter number 41, bookworm. Okay, bookworm. We can repeat that. Okay, we can repeat it again. Brief history of time. Brief history of time, which is related to Stephen Hawking. Okay, which is related to Stephen Hawking. And second is the beloved. Second is the beloved, which is related to Toni Morrison. Okay, beloved related to Toni Morrison. Then the three number, Cooley. Cooley is related to Mulk Raj Anand. Okay, Cooley is related to Mulk Raj Anand. The god of small things. The god of small things, which is related to Arundhati Roy. Okay, which is related to Arundhati Roy. Then the sixth number, Daughter of the East. Daughter of the East. Okay, Daughter of the East, which is related to Benazir Bhutto. Okay, which is related to Benazir Bhutto. The seven number, runs in ruins. Runs in ruins, which is related to Muzibar Rahman. And the 9 number Das capital. The 9 number is a Das capital, which is related to Karl Marx. Okay, which is related to Karl Marx. Then the 10 number Faces and the Places. Faces and the Places, which is related to Professor Deepak Nayyar. Which is related to Professor Deepak Nayyar. Okay. So now the chapter number 40 and chapter number 41 both are over. Okay. So the chapter number 40 is the related to flightless bird, and the chapter number 41 is related to bookworm. So now we already finished our work, okay, for the chapter 40, 39, 40 and 41. Okay, thank you.